Okay, so today is Tuesday, October 20th. It's about a little after 11 o'clock in the morning, and just wanted to make a final video of the gates with the ghost controls. So everything is pretty much done. As you can see, I painted the gates, I painted the new posts, and then let's see, I did get a Wi-Fi adapter because my house is pretty close. So the house is right there, and my Wi-Fi or my cable modem is just on the other side of that wall, right in the living room. So it's probably, I don't know, 100 feet, maybe 75 feet. So it has pretty good signal for the Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi adapter is right here, and I had to get one that was 12 volts because that's what the rest of I have a 12 volt battery there in the box that runs the controls for the gates. So I needed a 12 volt Wi-Fi adapter so I didn't have to run power over here. So I chose this one here, and the thing I like about this one is it tells me the signal strength of the Wi-Fi signal, and then there's 3 buttons altogether. Of course, I'm only using one of them for the gate, so there's 2 that are not being used. But if for some reason I need to troubleshoot, I can press this button and that will simulate me operating it on my phone. So I downloaded the app and stuff like that. But the one thing that I wanted to point out, which I didn't see a lot of I looked for on other YouTube videos, was where to connect my Wi-Fi adapter. So I'm going to show you guys right now. So there's a CYC connector, a CYC input there, and the common input. So those go to the Wi-Fi adapter, and what happens is when I either press this button or press it on my phone, what happens is it closes contacts, and the ghost controls sees those closed contacts and either opens the gate if it's closed or closes the gate if it's open. So it just toggles back and forth. So once again, it's the CYC on this hardwired inputs connector and the common. On my phone, I downloaded the app, which looks like, I don't know if you can see that yet. Probably not, because the sun is shining kind of bright. Let me see if I can get out of the sun here. Still can't really see it, but I'm going to go for it anyways. So there's a LT3 automatic gate control. I press that, okay, and then it brings up my my buttons. I don't know if you can see that there, and then I just hit this button, boom, and then the gate's open. So I do have my gate timers, the automatic close set for 90 seconds. So if for some reason I leave and forget to close the gates, or something happens and the gates open inadvertently, after 90 seconds they will close again. But since I have the app here, I don't want to wait 90 seconds. I'll go ahead and close it, hit that again, and boom, the gates are closing. And let's see, I think that's it. That's really the last part that I wanted to show. So once again, I painted the gates, which took me a little bit of time, and then I do have an issue here. I'm gonna have to use braces or something to brace this temporarily, because the gates, this one goes kind of in like this, and this one goes the opposite way, as you can see there. So I had a brace on it before, and I thought that leaving it on there for a couple days would make them straighten out, but I'm gonna have to figure something else out there. Not a huge deal, but I would like to have it nice and even. So that is pretty much it. And then the Wi-Fi adapter that I got, I can't remember the name of it, but I got it off of Amazon, and then I got this little box to keep it out of the elements, and then yeah, so that's pretty much it. Everything's working great so far. I may get like a sprinkler box and bury the battery underground just so it's not sitting out there like that. I don't have a whole lot of people out here, but just to make sure that somebody doesn't tamper with it. So that's pretty much it. So hope this helps somebody out. All right.